Alright, the journey begins. It is Wednesday, September 2nd, 2020, and this Sunday, midnight, I will be riding 300 miles. So, I'm going to attempt this with my friend Grip, 300 miles. Let me turn down the TV. Alright, just have to turn down the TV there. Yeah, 300 miles. Not my idea, it's Grip's ride. So I'm just pre-recording this video in the event that I actually complete it. I would have completed 300 miles, which I think would be, me and Grip and I would be the only two, I believe, in history to ride 300 miles on the island of Oahu in the state of Hawaii. So I'm going to be recording it on my Garmin 510. I've been doing 50 mile and 70 mile moderate intensity rides, yoga once a day, still vegan, and what else? I'm using my endurance bike, the Specialized Ruby. I did put some TT bars on there, Aero TT bars. They're set up kind of high. I also installed a hover bar, Specialized hover bar, to get more stack height off the front, so that just to try to minimize the amount of neck pain, because I know my last 200 mile ride with Tony last year, I had some neck pain from being in the aero position way too long, more than my neck muscles could handle, as well as my helmet was too heavy. I had one of my heaviest helmets, so this time one of my lightest helmets, my Giro Aeon, my super old one. I'm going to be painting it orange, fluorescent orange for safety, and I won't be posting this video until after the event, so that there won't be any pressure about the event, or I won't be having to think about questions or comments or anything like that, just to stay totally mentally fresh until the fruition or failure of the 300 mile endurance ride of the century. I have completed 2 previous double century rides, 200 plus milers. So luckily this is not my idea, this is my friend Grip's idea, and thank you, Grip, for inviting me to Grip's 300 mile endurance challenge. I did mark my bike with some motivational words: no guts, no glory, 300. That'll be my mantra, as well as things like it's just another mile, and just keep pedaling and don't ever stop. So starting at midnight from Diamond Head, Sunday midnight, so the night of Sunday, when the clock strikes 12 midnight, we'll be taking off on a 300 mile adventure, and we're gonna go around Waimanalo all the way to Kaena Point on the north side. Then we're gonna climb up Pineapple Hill down to the south side, Waipahu Ewa, Kapolei. By the time we reach Wahiawa at the top of the hill, top of Pineapple Hill, we should have 100. And then we're going to do all of Ewa, head back to Diamond Head, and we should have 150. Then we're going to do that all over again for round 2. So 2 loops of that to give us 300 miles. So I'm recording this ahead of time, just wishing myself, my future self, a good luck and thumbs up from myself in the past to my future self. Future self, future cyborg, you got this. You can do this. I believe in you. And it's just mind over matter. Just keep pedaling. I gotta get a few more supplies. Chamois butter, baby wipes, gels, hydration powder. But this will be totally self-supported, and we will be buying things at local convenience stores like 7-Eleven. Alright, that is my voice to the world and my future cycling self. So good luck, self, if you do accept this challenge. Just do it. Bye for now. See you in the future.